Noodles are an excellent way to whip up a quick lunch or dinner in a matter of minutes, but most of the time we simply cook the noodles in boiling water, add in the sauce and enjoy. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a fantastic, delicious, very flavorful noodles recipe, which is going to turn out absolutely mouth-watering. For the recipe, you'll need some garlic, spring onions, we have some carrots, red cabbage, and capsicum all in one. And also we have some coriander, 2 bricks of noodles, soy sauce, and oyster sauce together with cooking oil. And you're going to find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. This is one of those recipes that need very minimal effort of prepping up your ingredients and cooking. So now I'm going to be placing a pan over medium flame, add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I'm going to start off by sauteing my onions, and I'm going to add in the white part of the green onion. Pick a spatula. Saute the onions for around a minute or until the onions are soft. Green onions are very flavorful, so adding in 1 or 2 spring onions into the dish is going to bring the flavor to the next level. So we are cooking the white part of the onions. Over here I have the green part of the onion, which is going to garnish the dish. I'm going to add in my veggies, which I've chopped up into bite-sized pieces. Add in my garlic, which I almost forgot. Then next you're going to add in a tablespoon of light soy sauce and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir in. Add in 1.5 cups of water, bring the flames to high. Then I'm going to wait for the water to come to a boil, which is going to take a minute or 2 at most. We have the sauce that comes with the noodles, which I'm going to be adding after I check the seasoning, because the light soy sauce and oyster sauce have sodium, so it's going to season the dish. The best part about the recipe is that you can customize to your own liking by throwing in veggies that you have in your fridge or in your kitchen. That is cauliflower, broccoli, we have snow peas, snap peas, whichever veggies that you have in the house, and it's going to be fantastic. Once the water comes to a boil, you're going to add in your noodles and reduce the flames to medium. You're going to cook your noodles for around 2 minutes, then you're going to flip so that the other side can soften up. And at this point, I'm going to be checking the seasoning. So I'm going to add in 1 pack of the sauce, that is the bombo sauce and chili. Reduce the flames to medium-low, then I'm going to simmer my noodles for 2 more minutes so that the cooking time can be around 4 to 5 minutes at most. You don't want to overcook your noodles because they cook very fast. It's really important for you to buy some sauces and keep in your fridge because they come in handy and they add in lots of umami flavor and also add in a very nice taste to food. For example, we have some light soy sauce, I have oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce. So yeah, it's very nice because the sauces add in lots of flavor to food. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of ketchup, that is 2 tablespoons, and the ketchup is going to add in a vinegary and sweet taste into the noodles, making it very delicious. So now I'm going to put on the flames and garnish with lots of green onions. I'm also going to add in a touch of coriander because I love how coriander adds a very nice flavor to food. Then I'm going to stir in, put out the flames, and serve. After serving up my noodles, this is how everything has turned out. So I'm going to taste to check out how delicious the noodles are. The sauces have added in a very nice flavor to the noodles as well as the bombo sauce. The veggies are tender, very delicious, which means that my lunch is going to be delish. Catch you on my next episode.